So this is the paper being placed on the fabric. So I had to tack it down with paper tape. You can see when I placed it, there is a space. Like I have to shift the paper backwards so that there will be space. Like you can see, like I shifted the paper. The fabric is still. You can actually place it straight. Make the paper close to the fabric, like starts from the beginning of the fabric. So the reason why I actually did it that way was I want it to be very full, like full, not really full, but to be full enough, like you get it. So straight like that. So this is how the frontal part look like. So I actually placed the frontal parts on the back, just cross-checking it. Like I want to feel that vibe of my cowl neck. You can see I'm getting my cowl neck already without joining it, as you can see it. So now for the sleeve, I'm marking my armhole, like I'm calculating what I have there. I have 11 inches there. So to make your sleeve, you calculate your armhole, what you have there. So I have 11. The down part of the sleeve is actually wide. There's a elastic at the sleeve. So my length is 24 inches. The sleeve length is 24 inches, but because I want it long and there will be elastic there, you know, that bubble whatever, so I made it 28 inches. So I folded it according to my choice, like the way I want it wide, not really wide, but it's okay. So at the top of the sleeve, I marked downward 3.5 inches. If you want it puffy, like you want to pleat it, you can make it like 5, 6, whatever. Then you, so I made mine 3.5 inches downward. Then I did my I marked my integral S. So then, you know, I calculated 11 inches for the armhole, so I'm marking that. I made from along the line of that integral S, I calculated like 11 inches and marked that side. So 11 inches downward, like I did, yeah, straight like that. 11 inches, 11 inches straight, 11, 11, 11, like straight down. So then I join the lines, then cut. Yeah, so this is my sleeve. I have my sleeve already here. So now let's cut the lining for our upper part for the front. So it's actually not a full lining. The line is just around that upper part to the chest line. Actually left, you know, my hand, just notice this, my left hand side, the way I'm standing like that, like my left hand side is the down part. So towards my right hand side is the upper part. So the upper part, I left like 5 inches on the actual top itself, the frontal part itself, not the lining. The lining is under, and the upper part itself, the frontal part itself is at the top. So I'm cutting that way. So the line is actually around the upper part, from upper part to the chest line. So that is where the lining is covering, and you know, I left like 5 inches above it, like the frontal part is 5 inches more than the lining. So let me place it so that you can see. So like that. So towards my right hand, where I'm folding is the upper part. I hope you get it now. So you know, I left 5 inches up, then you see, so that I don't want it to show